Seasoning brand on social media, and it started in Louisville. I'm talking about Dano's with millions of followers across the internet, and they're celebrating dreamlike successes. COVID-19 almost squashed those dreams, but as Wave 3 News reporter Sean Bowdy explains, there was one thing that kept them pushing forward.
You've probably seen his videos before. Maybe you're even one of his 1.6 million TikTok followers.
So you got hit with that pop, pop, pop. You can also hit it with that chop, 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 chop.
If you're not familiar with Dano's Seasoning, it's a local brand with global reach. But it was a global pandemic that convinced Dan Oliver to post his first video.
Once COVID hit, plan B was to do social media.
What's up, folks? Dano here, back again.
It started behind the bar at Diamond Pub and Billiards. Dano was bartending at the time in 2015, but would still bring in some of his own spices for customers.
The guy tried it, and he's like, "Why aren't you selling this?" And I was like, Dano's, that's what I'm going to do.
Dano has come a long way, even appearing alongside some celebrities.
Yum, yum, get you some.
Even now, Dano's not slowing down. In fact, he just finished working on a Dano's themed menu with Jared Matthews, an old friend and old boss.
Taking it from his house and bottling up a couple bottles and selling it maybe even, just out of his home, and just to see him put everything into his dream and just to see where it's come is amazing.
Dano's thankful for his relationship with Matthews, but still it's a pandemic to which he owes his newfound fame.
People say things happen for a reason. Well, I believe they do. When COVID hit, I didn't know what I was going to do. My source of income was gone, and so social media was it. And I just kept posting video after video after video, and people just, I guess, they love what I was doing.
You can find Dano's Seasoning in grocery stores across the country. In Louisville, Sean Bowdy, Wave 3 News.
It is so fun to see someone following